Tip of the day. My car is going in for a air conditioner checkup because it's not working correctly. Anytime I take my car in to get fixed, get an oil change or whatever, I always take pictures of the top of the car because, as you can see, there's dust here. And if it's touched, I'll know they did something. If it's not touched, I'll know they didn't do anything. And that's one way that as a woman I protect myself against them doing things to my car, because they'll have to take out the dipstick, they'll have to check the oil when they put the oil in, and I can see with the fingertips if they've done anything. So if you ladies or men ever want to know for sure if your car has been worked on, take a picture of your motor, several places, so it's nice and clear, so you can see by the fingerprints that it actually was done. We just got the car back from having the air conditioner checked and the oil, and I want to show you how you can tell it was actually done. See, there's oil here. I think didn't really clean it up that good, but that's okay. You've got prints here. You've got prints over here where it looks like they've done something. And then you've got fingerprints over here and fingerprints here. So that's the way that you can check before you leave the parking lot that something was actually done to your vehicle. So just part of a good tip to do. Then you